This can be viewed by Ayat. -10 is the temperature in Alaska. And let's say we have a weather report that there will be a deviation of ±5 degrees Celsius throughout the day. So which modulus equation would represent that? You say, okay, T is ranging, although -10 में 5 add karo, so you end up getting -5 Celsius. -10 में say take away 5 or subtract further 5, you get -15 degrees Celsius. So you know that the temperature range is from -15 to -5. Now you need to express that as a modulus. We talked about this formula yesterday, that what modulus does is it talks about the distance. Distance of what? Distance, ये जो मैंने bars को label किया है, these bars, they represent distance. Distance of this guy, of X. The minus means from. From where? From the mid value, whatever's in the middle. And this range over 2 is like the equidistant spread. Dono side pe wings hain, or you're talking about equidistant spread. Let me talk about this again. Yesterday we said that if you have H, which is ranging from -1 to 5, the mid value would be 2. And you would have a range of 3 and -3 in the positive direction, 3 in the negative direction. So there's a gap of 3 units from 2. How do you write that as a modulus? You say H's distance from 2, modulus is less than 3. So it's within 3 units. Less than hai, to within hai. If it was H minus 2 modulus greater than 3, then that would be a statement which says it's outside that region. So 2 is always the center value, and 3 is always the spread to one side as well as to the other. So the entire range is halved that way. So now, how would you write this? You'd say T minus -10 modulus less than 5, which becomes T plus 10 modulus less than 5. Do you understand this? ठीक हो गया? So it's T minus -10 because temperature was in negative. So when you took the difference, this became positive, modulus less than 5. This gives you the range of temperatures. Okay, now we were talking about looking at some practice questions. This is an interesting one. Why don't you guys give this a try? X minus 10 modulus is equal to 10, opens up X minus 10 is equal to plus minus B. So X can be 10 goes to the other side. It can be 10 plus P and it can be 10 minus P. They said where X is less than 10. So the 10 plus B is bigger than 10. So the expression that you need is this one, 10 minus B, because it's less than 10. Is that X is less than 10. Do you agree with my selection of answers? 10 minus B, X is 10 minus B. Then they said, what is the equivalent of B minus X? All your options don't have X in it. So the B minus X needs to be replaced with the X. The X needs to be replaced with the B. So if you plug in B, 10 minus B in there, you get B minus 10 plus B, which becomes 2B minus 10. Do you understand this, guys? Please acknowledge.
Yes, sir.
What about the rest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, you are right. It is D. Because 400 and 410 come mid value is 405, and the range 10 is divided by 2, and it's supposed to be within these values, so it is less than. Is that clear to everybody? The answer is D. Okay, so let's try. Whoa, what did I just do? Okay, we upped the game a little in this particular question. Give you a few minutes to try this. The basics are, you'd say 4x minus 4 equals plus minus 8. Agree, disagree? Of course, you can't disagree. 4x is either 4 plus 8 or it's 4 minus 8. In this one, this becomes 12 divided by 4. In this one, it becomes negative 4 divided by 4. So this comes out as 3. This comes out as negative 1. In the second one, where it says 5y plus 10 modulus is equal to 15, 5y plus 10 is equal to plus minus 15, 5y is equal to negative 10 plus 15, 5y is equal to negative 10 minus 15. So this thing becomes 5y equals 5y is equal to 1. 5y is equal to negative 10, negative 15. Y is equal to negative 25 by 5, which is negative 5. So it says x times y, what's the smallest value when you multiply the two? If you just put these values down, the possible values of x and the possible values of y, one value is negative 5 and the other value is negative positive 1. And you just want to multiply them. So you know this is negative 15 is the biggest, is the smallest possible value. There is no other smaller value. Gee, would you agree to this, guys, or disagree, or what do you think? There is no shorter way. You have to solve for the x key possibilities, y key possibilities, and then you can do like a check. You can randomly check. Gee, guys, anybody disagreeing with this? You should let me know or let me be. Hanji, Nafe, any issues with this?
नहीं सर सही
Okay, Khadija, तुम्हें कुछ समझ आ रही है because you've just started this in the middle. So yeah, I do have like other basic lectures of this. अभी हमने जो किए हैं, I have them recorded, fortunately. Are you picking something, Khadija?
जी सर